Before we dive into the templates that I've built, the ones that you're actually here for, I want to take a few minutes to walk through the core building blocks of Notion. If you already know this stuff, feel free to skip ahead, but if you're newer to Notion, this part is going to make everything else click and make it super easy for you to use your new template. To cover 4 things: pages, databases, views, and callouts. That's it. Once you understand these 4, you can use literally anything from Notion Vault or even build your own stuff from scratch. The most basic unit in Notion, the pages. Think of a page like a piece of paper, except it can hold an infinite other pieces of paper inside it. You can type text on it, add images, embed videos, literally can nest other pages inside of it. So you can have a page inside of a page inside of a page. Quick tip, you can turn any line of text into a page by typing slash and page and it should pop up, or by hovering over a line and clicking the little icon that pops up on the left, just like that. Okay, now for the part that confuses people the most: databases. A database in Notion is just a page that holds structured information. Instead of one block of text, it's organized into rows and columns, kind of like a spreadsheet, but way more flexible and way more cool. Let's say I'm tracking books I want to read. Each row is one book. Each column is a piece of information about that book: title, author, genre, status, rating, literally anything you could think of. These columns are called properties, and Notion gives you a bunch of property types: text, numbers, dates, checkboxes, select, multi-select, people files, literally anything. The big aha moment with Notion databases is this: every single row is also its own page. So I can click into Lord of the Rings here, and now I'm inside a full page where I can write notes, paste quotes, add a cover image, whatever I want. This is what makes Notion super customizable. And that's the magic, because a database isn't just a table, it's a table where every entry is a living, expandable page. A view is just a different way of looking at the same database. You're not duplicating your data, you're just changing how it's displayed. Right now, we're looking at this as a table, but let's add a board view grouped by status. Now it's a board with columns for want to read, reading, and finished. I could also add a calendar view if my books had due dates, a list view for something simpler, or a gallery view if I want big visual covers front and center. Same data, completely different feel depending on what you actually need to see in the moment or how you want your Notion to look. This is where you can kind of get the cool little customizable feel and make it a lot more personable and aesthetic if you're into that. This is the part that makes Notion feel alive instead of just a static spreadsheet. A callout is just a highlighted block of text with an icon next to it. It's used to draw the eye to something important. This could be instructions, warnings, tips, encouragement, whatever needs to stand out from regular text. You would type slash callout, hit enter, and you've got a colored box with an emoji that you can add or you can change or you can remove altogether. The emoji can be an icon, it could be an uploaded image, or nothing at all, like I just said, if you just want a plain colored background. You can also change the color if you want. You can make it anything that you like. I use these constantly in my templates to flag instructions, give a quick pep talk, or mark something as optional. You can put toggles in here so you can collapse it if you need to. So to recap, pages are your containers, databases are structured collections of pages, views let you see those databases in different ways, and callouts highlight what matters. Once those 4 things click, you can use any Notion template from Notion Vault or even your own like a pro.